Hello, Sanshu inu holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Sanshu inu holders doing a very big mistake. My friends, don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. Absolutely, if you do this mistake, so you'll lose your money in the Sanshu inu, my friends. So be alert and don't do this mistake, my friends. Keep on this video complete for more and better understanding. First of all, my friends, if we talk about the price of Sanshu inu, so you can see here that the price of the Sanshu is very low, my friends. So due to this reason, due to the low price, I recommend for all of you at this time to invest in a Sanshu inu. I think that's good for investment in a nowadays, my friends. And furthermore, from my friends, you can see if we talk about the price change, so you can see negative 21.01% the price of the Sanshu inu is decreased in just 24 hours, my friends. So you know what, due to this reason, due to this negative changes, a lot of people decide to sell, and I think that's really a big mistake of all holders doing at this time, my friends. Don't decide to sell any cryptocurrencies, any token due to the price changes, my friends. If the price changes is negative, so you decide to sell, my friends. No, that's not a way to make money with the cryptocurrencies market, my friends. Now you know what, I also predicted Sanshu inu in my previous video that Sanshu inu will take a huge pump in the July. So wait, my friends, wait, it is just the beginning of the July, my friends. In the beginning of July, the price of Sanshu inu is fast down, so you decide to sell. No, that's not mean that you are disappointed from Sanshu inu. You know what, why the people decide to sell? Because they understand that they have no idea to take a pump in the future, but the people understand wrong. Anyways, my friends, now this time I recommend for all of you that if you are holding Sanshu inu, so please don't decide to sell. You can see here, my friends, the price of Sanshu inu is fast down from a very long term. So absolutely after a long time fast, they have to take a pump. I think that July is time to take a pump, my friends. So wait for it and don't decide to sell. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Sanshu inu? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.